Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a verified fan on Ticketmaster in 2026. Now, verified fan is going to give you access to the exclusive pre-sales before the general public, especially helpful for the big shows that sell out fast. So first of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. After that, simply log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on Ticketmaster yet, you can just simply create one by using your email address and password. Now, here you just have to click on this search icon and you need to simply search for the event page. Here you can look for the banner or the button that says verified fan sign up or join verified fan or sign up for pre-sale access. So when you are able to find any of these options over here, you just have to simply click on that particular option. After clicking on that option, you are going to see a form. In it, you need to provide your first name, your email address, your zip code, and postal details. Some events ask for the additional information like mobile number or the music favorites. So you need to fill out the details honestly, then click on the option of submit. So now you are basically registered as a verified fan candidate for that particular event only. Ticketmaster will confirm your registration on the screen and it is going to send an email. So after sign up closes, Ticketmaster will select a group of fans who get a verified fan pre-sale code. So if you are selected, you will receive a pre-sale code, pre-sale start time, instructions on how to use the code, and these usually come by email or the app notification. So this is how you can become a verified fan on Ticketmaster in 2026. After signing in, you just have to basically look for the fan option or the pre-sale option and then simply fill out that form. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.